Eyes closed, body relaxed. Sit erect. A gentle smile on your face. One normal breath in and let go. For the next 5 to 6 minutes, take a resolve that come what may, I will not move. I'll be as still as a rock. Observe your body position. You are sitting in a meditative posture. Relax. Become aware of the whole body, from tip of the toes to top of the head. Again and again realize that this body is a beautiful gift from the divine. यह शरीर परमात्मा के द्वारा दिया हुआ बहुत ही सुंदर उपहार है. इस शरीर का सम्मान करें. And there is a presence of divinity in every organ of ours. One more normal deep breath in, gently let go. Slowly inhale. Hold your breath. Hold. And then gently exhale through the nostrils. Relax. Continue 2 more such rounds. Inhale completely. Hold. And very slowly exhale. One more round. Inhale. And very slowly hold. And then gently exhale and relax. श्राम करें. एक और साधारण श्वास अंदर, धीरे धीरे बाहर. Relax more and more. Take your awareness over the different organs of the body. Relax your both the feet, knees, thighs, both the legs completely. Both the legs are completely relaxed and full of energy. Wherever you are taking your awareness, there is a flood of energy that is moving. Awareness over the pelvic area, navel, abdominal muscles. All these organs are full of vitality, energy. Take one more normal deep breath in and gently let go. Now slowly bring your awareness to the chest region. Both the hands, right and the left. Both the hands are in complete relaxation. Now bring your awareness to the lower back, middle back, and the upper back. Relax them completely and observe the life force, vitality. और लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर, धीरे धीरे बाहर. Now slowly shift your awareness to both the shoulders, right and the left, front and back of the neck, top of the head, back of the head, forehead. Relax. Both the eyes, nose, lips, both cheeks, chin, the whole facial muscles. Keep a gentle smile. You are smiling at your own self. और लंबी हरी सांस अंदर और धीरे धीरे बाहर. Now slowly and steadily become aware of the whole body and realize that you are being covered by the flood of energy from all the directions. You are floating in the ocean of vitality. There is immense strength, energy in every single cell, every single organ. Observe that strength, that energy. Be still. One more normal deep breath in. Very slowly let go. Relax more and more. Gradually let go of the bodily awareness, become aware of the state of the mind, different thoughts. Observe your thoughts without any judgment. Become aware of your emotions. The different thoughts and emotions, they are like the passing clouds. Nothing can shake or touch you because you are the sky. Observe and realize that this body, these thoughts, these emotions, and everything in this world keeps on changing. And anything that changes, that's not who you are. Then who am I? Ask this question and stay with this question. Relax. One more normal deep breath in, slowly let go. Now together we'll pray for the every being of this planet. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Share your love, blessings, peacefulness with every being on this planet. Gradually become aware of the whole body and the surrounding. Slowly and gently open your eyes.